What's up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. My name is Jerry, also known as Chef El Padre. I'm a chef, restaurateur, and brand ambassador from Canada. Today, we're making Arrachera tacos over live fire on the Prokan Infinity Argentine grill. We'll press the tortillas by hand, finish them on the griddle, then lay them straight on the coals just like tradition demands. Even the salsa comes from the fire, roasted on the coals and crushed in a molcajete. Get ready, this is gonna be epic. This is arrachera, or known in North America as skirt steak. This cut has a lot of flavor, but is very thin, so it needs to be grilled hot and fast. Arrachera doesn't need much prep. It's a long cut, so I break it down into smaller sections to make it easier to manage once it hits the grill. It's been an absolutely freezing start to 2026. The month of January has seen temperatures of minus 25 to minus 30, which makes it absolutely impossible to film outside. Batteries died instantly. Microphones start to cause interference. It's basically impossible. But today, the sun is out. I think this is the first time the sun is out this warm. So I see an opportunity to cook on my Prokan Infinity grill. I love these traditional salsas cooked directly on the coals. The vegetables roast perfectly, and that touch of smoke becomes the final layer, the kind of flavor you just can't fake. This salsa starts with green tomatillos, habaneros, onions, and garlic, but the depth comes from toasted walnuts and sesame seeds, warmed slowly in a cast iron pan. Then we layer in roasted red peppers and Cubanelle peppers, bringing balance, acidity, and a rounded finish to the heat. I don't know why people think that making tortillas by hand is complicated. It's actually a lot of fun. Let's go. If you watch this far and you like what you see, make me famous. Like, subscribe, follow, and share this with someone who loves cooking with fire. We're gonna let the masa rest, and while it does, we'll move on to the tomatillo-habanero salsa. One important rule when working with a molcajete is to take your time, adding the ingredients slowly, layering the flavor one by one. Okay, the salsa is ready. Now, all that is left is the tortillas and the beef. We're gonna reconfigure the grill and swap in this stainless steel griddle, perfect for finishing handmade tortillas, and I love that Prokan has thought about this amazing attachment. We're gonna grill the tortillas on both sides first, and once they hold their shape, they go straight on the coals for that final sear that makes them extra crunchy and smoky. Now it's time for the beef. This arrachera goes on hot and fast over live fire using Prokan's V-groove grill. Those V-shaped grates catch the juices as they fall. They hit the hot steel, vaporize, and rise back up, basting the meat with smoke and flavor. Don't be afraid of the fire, my friends. That direct flame is what gives us a beautiful crust and a perfect medium temperature inside, even on a thin cut like skirt steak. I told you it was going to be hot and fast, and we're ready for tacos, my friends. Skirt steak brings the flavor, and the Prokan grill, powered by real fire, does the work. This is how you enjoy authentic arrachera tacos. Fire-roasted tomatillo-habanero salsa served on fresh, crunchy tortillas made by hand and finished by flame. Thank you for watching. Join me next time when we take pork chops in a whole new direction, al pastor style, with grilled pineapple on the Prokan Infinity Grill. Like, subscribe, and share this with someone who loves cooking with fire. I'm Chef El Padre.